grade 5 students. How all of you are doing? I hope that all of you are doing great. So welcome back to our another class for subject science. Okay. So today we are going to learn about our next activity 6.2b. Does the sun move? Okay. So what do you think? Last week we studied about earth movement. Okay, and this week we will study about sun movement. Okay, so do you really think sun is moving in the space? So let's find out. Okay, so I will read first and then I will explain. Okay, so I'm going to read page number 84 first. Okay, so Serena wakes up early because the sun shines through her window. In the afternoon, no sun shines through Serena's window. Has the sun moved? Activity 6.2a. Tracking the sun on the window. Observe where the sun shines through your classroom window in the early morning. Put a sticker on the window every hour to mark the spot where the sun shines through. Record the date and the time on each sticker. Repeat this activity every day for 2 weeks if the day is sunny. Okay, so like when you stay at home, so you can check the movement of sun. Okay, so from your window. Okay, so like you see the window first, like in the morning you see sun is shining through here. Okay, so you put a sticker. Next you see after 1 hour then the sun shining through here, so you put a sticker. Okay, here. So that's how you can check sun movement. But in actual, sun does not move. Okay, so the sun has no movement. It's the earth, our planet, that rotates, okay, around its axis. Okay, that's why we see sun moving. Okay, but in actual, sun does not move. And next I will read 6.2b 85. Okay, page number 85. A model to show that sun does not move. Okay, so now we will find out sun does not move. In actual, sun does not move. Place the lamp on a table and turn it on. This represents the sun shining. So you can see here a lamp here. Okay, so and it represents the sun shining. Okay, stand in a circle with everyone facing outwards. Okay, so you can do it at home with your brothers and sisters. Okay, or you can do it with your friends. If you have 3 or 4 kids at home, you can do it. Okay, so stand in a circle with everyone facing outwards. Okay, the circle represents the earth. Okay, move around slowly so that each person faces the sun in turn. Keep moving until you reach the spot where you started. Okay, collect evidence to support the idea that the earth moves throughout the day and not the sun. Okay, next, observe when you are facing the sun. When the sun is on your left side, when the sun is on your right side, and when you can't see the sun at all. In the next topic, you will look more closely at how earth moves. Okay. So this experiment, you can do it at home. Okay, so I will tell you how to do it. Okay, so now let's have a look here. What is a sun? Okay, so we all should know what is a sun. So sun is a star. Okay, sun is a star in the center of our solar system. Okay, so sun is a big star in the center of our solar system. It is yellow dwarf star. Okay, so when you see it, it's yellow dwarf star. It gives off energy as light, and we get sunlight from the sun. Okay, so here, have a look here. It says 1. Okay, So in your chapter 5 you guys studied about shadows. Okay, so with the help of shadows we can also see the movement of earth, not the sun. Okay, so now you see the sun is here. Okay, and here is a pole. Okay, you can see a pole and shadow come here. Okay, so when the sun move here on top of this pole, so the shadow becomes here. Okay, so next time suppose like this, if the sun will move this side, okay, the shadow will go this side. Okay, so where is the sun, shadow will go on the opposite side. Okay, so if the sun move here, shadow will go here. Okay, so as the sun is moving towards any side, the shadow will go on the opposite side. Okay, so now time for your task 1. So your task 1 is on page number 48. Okay, I will write down here. Task 1, page number 48. Okay, part 2. Okay, so part 2 on your book, page number 48. Okay, so you can see, so in this exercise you will apply what you know about the apparent position of the sun in the sky at different times of day. Look at the pictures of a tree which are labeled 1 to 5. Each picture shows the sun in a different position and the shadow of a different length. Drawing number 1 represents 7 o'clock in the morning. Okay, so see, as I explained you earlier just before, so you see sun is here and the shadow goes this side. When the sun is on the top, shadow becomes straight. Okay, when sun comes this side, shadow goes on the opposite side. Okay, so you can see. Okay, and the first one represents 7 o'clock in the morning. So now your task is, which drawing represents each of these times? So there is no particular pattern here. Okay, so you need to find out. Okay, so if this one represents 7 o'clock in the morning, that means sun is risen from this side. Okay, so then it moves here and then here and then here. Okay, so you have 10 o'clock, 13 means 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 16 means 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, 19 means 7 o'clock in the evening. Okay, so you need to find out. Okay, and next, name the 2 factors that you use to decide which drawing represents each time. Okay, so you need to find out why did you decide to choose. You have to mention 2 factors. Why did you decide to choose the time for any particular picture here? Okay, so if you will have any questions, any doubts, I will help you. Okay, so you can ask me, I will help you. Again, one more time, the sun does not move in real. Okay, it's earth that moves. Okay, that rotates on its axis. So that's why we see day and night. Okay, so that's it in the first video. I will see you in the second video. Bye bye. Hello students, how all of you are doing? So welcome back to our second video for today. Okay, so in this video I will give you task 2. Okay, so your task 2 is on page number 55, skill builder. Okay, 55 skill builder. So I will read first, then I will explain you what you need to do. So show the apparent movement of the sun on a shadow stick drawing. Here is a picture of a shadow stick experiment. Look at the position of the sun at 9 o'clock. A sunbeam comes from the sun and casts a shadow of the stick, labeled 9 o'clock. Okay. So like this. So you can see sun here. Okay. And here is a stick. Okay. So you have studied this in your chapter 5, and so this one here stick. Okay. And you can do it at home as well if you want. So here is the stick and sun. Okay. So the sunbeam comes out from the sun. Okay, and it creates shadow. So it creates shadow here. So this one shadow. Okay. So shadow number 1. Okay. So now if the sun moves this side, okay, and 9 o'clock, so what will be the sunbeam? Okay. So remember, when you create a sunbeam, so it should start from here, cross this one, and then go straight. Okay. It should be a straight line. Okay, across this one, and then it should end here. Okay, like this one. See, it starts from here across this one and then ends here. So that's where is the sun's position. Okay, so next when you draw a sunbeam, start from here across this one and then go straight. So that's where is the sun. Okay, so now your task 2 is on page number 56. Okay, so on the picture, draw sunbeams and suns for the shadows at 11, 12, 13 and 15. Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to, so here you need to draw sunbeams like the first one. Okay, and this one second one. And remember, when you draw sunbeams, start from here across this one and then straight. Okay, straight line. Do not make any angles or do not make any curves. Okay, it should be a straight line. Like this one, it's a straight line, so it should be a straight line. Okay, so make the sunbeams. And next question. Next, what does the sun appear to do between 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock? So what do you think the sun is to appear to do between 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock? So do you think sun is moving? Okay, sun is moving forward also, and it's moving backward. Okay, so what do you think? Does the sun really do what it appears to do? Explain your answer using scientific knowledge. Okay, if you think sun is moving, why do you think sun is moving? Okay, give your reason, explain in the number 3. Okay, so if you don't think sun is not moving, it's the earth that is moving. So give your answer and why. Okay, explain. Okay, so this is your task 2. I will give you enough time to do your task 2, because task 2 you will need time. So you can ask me if you need more time, and use pencil on your notebook. Okay, don't try to use pen. If you will use pen, I will not give you points. Okay, I will deduct your points. Okay, so you will not get full points even you are right, you are correct. Okay, so use pencil. So that's it. In the second video, I will see you in the last and third video. Hello students, welcome back to our third and last video for today. Okay, so before I give you homework, okay, so I will explain you one more time. So today we learned about, does the sun move? So first we need to know what is a sun. So what is a sun? Sun is a star in the center of our solar system. So if you have learned about solar system, so sun is a star, so in the center of our solar system. So last week we studied about like earth orbits around sun. So sun is in the center, so all the planets, 8 planets in our solar system orbits around sun. Okay, It is yellow dwarf star. It gives off energy as light. Okay, so in the daytime, because if we can see because of sunlight, so light is a source of, is a kind of energy. Okay, and do you really think the sun moves? No, it does not move in real. Actually, it does not move. It's Earth that rotates around its axis. That's why we see day and night. Okay, so and this, in this experiment we can see. Okay, so sunbeam. Okay, so when the sun comes this side, it's 9 o'clock. Okay, so you can see from your window. Okay, so you will see a shadow for your window. It will change throughout the day. So if you keep an eye on the window, and you will see, or you can see something else. Okay, so that have shadow, so you will see the shadow will change. Okay, sometimes you wake up in the morning, okay, and you see the sun in front of your house. Okay, but throughout the day it changes. Okay, so it changes, like sometimes you see sun in front of your house, like you can see like this, and then it goes on top of your house, you cannot see, and then evening time before sunset it goes at the back of your house. You cannot see the sun from the front of your house. So what does it mean? Is it sun moving or the earth is moving? It actually earth is moving. Okay, earth rotates on its axis. So that's why we see sunrise and sunset. Okay, so now time for your homework. Your homework is on page number 85. Okay, so let me erase this one so you will not be confused. It's a task 2. Okay, so your homework is page number 85. Answer the questions. So here kids are doing experiment. Okay, so if you can do it at home, do it at home. Otherwise, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 kids. Just give them a name. Okay, like label them. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Okay, just give them a label like number 1 or number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. So 6 kids. Okay, so in this activity, was the earth or the sun moving? So now let's read. Stand in a circle with everyone facing outwards. The circle represents the sun. So this circle represents the earth. Okay, and place a lamp on a table and turn it on. This represents the sun shining. So this lamp here represents sun. Keep moving until you reach the spot where you started. Okay, so you need to know. Okay, see, I am facing the sun, so she is in front of the sun. Okay, I can see the sun on my right. Okay, I can't see the sun, I can see the, so this whole part of earth. Okay, so that if she can see, she cannot see, that means the earth is moving. Okay, so what time of the day was it when you, okay, so you can choose number 3. Okay, so what number 3 as you. Okay, and then you answer this question. Do you think you collected enough evidence to test the idea that the earth moves throughout the day and not the sun? So give me your reasons. Okay, why do you think, what are your evidences, why do you think that earth is moving but not the sun? Okay, so give me your answer, give me a short explanation, 50 words. Okay, you can do it and on your notebook. Okay, a 50 words explanation. Why do you think the sun is earth is moving, not the sun? Okay, so that's it for today. I will see you next week. Take care, be safe, bye bye, and thanks for participating.